how to get the Lancaster Repeater rifle for free in Red Dead Redemption 2. You're going to come to Roads, okay? You want to go to the gunsmith. Very simple, Roads. Now if you haven't, you can do this like as soon as you have free roam unlocked, you can come right here. So you don't have to wait to do any missions or anything like that. So you're going to go straight to the gunsmith. Now as soon as you arrive at the gunsmiths, you want to walk around to the back, and then you come around to the side right here, and you will see this little bit of dialogue. There's a kid stuck in the basement. A little bit creepy. So you're going to have a little conversation with him, and then you're going to head inside after this. So after that conversation, you want to head inside the gunsmiths. Now you want to threaten him. Pull out the gun. Right there. Now, you're going to see, rob the basement. That's what you want to say. Don't rob the cash register, or you won't be able to go down to the basement and get the Lancaster Repeater for free. So once he does all this jibber jabbing, once it's finished, he'll open the door and we will head downstairs. There we go. He's opening the basement. So you're going to just follow him down. Now you can do all this dialogue if you want. You can go through the whole thing. Eventually you want to shoot the kid's chains on the bottom. You can free the child. You can tie up the gunsmith. You can rob him. You can loot him. You can rob the register. You can rob all the ammo in the shop. But then make a run for it, because you will have a bounty on your head after that. There's the weapon case right now. We're going to loot it and watch this bad boy come out. Now again, you can do this at the very start of the game. As soon as you're allowed to free roam, I should say. Not the very start of the game, but as soon as you're allowed to free roam, straight here. And there you go. That is a beautiful weapon. And of course you can continue on all this dialogue, blah 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 blah. And that's pretty much the video right there. So I hope this helped. Again, if you're starting this game off again for the first time, great spot to come along, get a free, very good weapon. And again, after this, you can rob him. You can rob all the shells on the shelves upstairs. But again, get out of there pretty quick. And I'd suggest wearing a mask. And get out of there on your horse, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped.